Hello guys, Christmas or winter crafts are so incomplete without this holy figure, so my handmade rocking Santa is ready to wish you all Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. So this is Subhasree. I welcome you to my channel and to this video of making of rocking Santa. Today's video is a part of my Christmas crafting series. I have shared easy Christmas DIY ideas. Hope you have seen my previous videos of this series. If not, then do watch them. Link of those snowman making and lantern crafting are given up here in the cards and in the description box below. And now let's start today's video. I have cut it out gingerbread man and Santa out of thin cardboard sheets like this. I need more small and thin cardboards to make the base. This foldable cardboard cover that comes with bindi packets are so ideal for today's craft. So let's cut out a half circle out of this like this, and this will be the base for one of the rocking figure that I'll be making today. I'll be making three rocking structures today, so let's cut out two more curved cardboards and then fold it like this. So I have three of the bases ready. Now I'll be coloring all the elements, and I will make the beard and the hair for this and the claws, and then I'll paste this on the base like this. And the Santa is ready to move back and forth, and it looks like he is dancing and saying Merry Christmas to all of us.
Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho.
And in the same way, I made this gingerbread man. Now let's quickly make out the Santa riding his reindeer sleigh. First, let me draw the Santa on this cardboard and the reindeer on the other end of the cardboard like this, and then cut them out. So see how easy and fun it was to DIY the Santa on his reindeer sleigh. So you guys can also try it at home and gift it to your friend along with the New Year's greetings. Now let me show you how I made this hanging Santa out of pair of red socks. Ideally, pure red socks would be good for this, but I had this checked one, so this is also fine. Any old red color socks would be fine for the craft. And I'll insert a thermocol ball to make the face. So this will be the cap, and this is for the body. I'll fill this with cotton and then stitch it up. I have inserted a toothpick in the thermocol ball so that it gives support to the face, and it keeps the face in place with the body like this. And then I will stitch the cap and the body together like this. Now in place of this rubber band, I will use a velvet black color cloth to make the belt of the Santa. The socks that I've used for today's project is a toe split socks. That means it had different pockets for the thumb toe or other toes, and those pockets I have cut it out, and I'll fill them with cotton and then stitch it up to make the hand and the feet for this Santa. And that's how this hanging Santa is ready. I hope that you have enjoyed me crafting this beautiful dancing and hanging Santa. If yes, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell icon to get updates of all my new video. So have a very happy new year and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.